Eliminate tartar and whiten your teeth in 15 minutes with this recipe that a dentist will never tell you. I think we all know that dental cleaning is a fundamental part of our day-to-day life. Our teeth are extremely important. That is why we must give them proper maintenance and enjoy healthy and strong teeth. It is important not to allow the accumulation of bacteria, tartar, or any type of accumulation that enters from the root and that makes the loss of our dental pieces. Today the visits to the dentist are very expensive. Here I will show you the simplest way to be able to give a cleaning to your teeth, making and taking into account some very important steps from the comfort of your home. We must avoid the accumulation of this substance called tartar, originates with foods of mineral origin in the teeth. After a while, the amount of tartar increases, and if you do not care about this issue, it can cause periodontitis. In order to remove that awful tartar, you will need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide, 3 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 4 warm water, 5 antiseptic mouthwash, 6 toothbrush, 7 a cup, 8 dental floss of your choice. Baking soda is the most efficient tool for removing plaque. Step 1. Take the cup and mix a spoonful of baking soda with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then moisten the toothbrush with warm water and immerse it in the mixture we obtained. Rub it in the teeth gently with the brush and spit after a few seconds. Perform this process for a lapse of 5 minutes. Step 2. Combine 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide and 1/2 cup of warm water and rinse the mouth for 1 minute. After that, spit and rinse with 1/2 cup of cold water. Step 3. Floss the teeth with yellow floss. You must be very careful not to scrape the gums as it can irritate and damage. Step 4. Finally, rinse your mouth with an antiseptic mouthwash. To achieve better results, preferably repeat this procedure every other day.